There we are guys, crispy shredded beef Peking sauce. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. Today we are going to do crispy, are we? Yeah we are. Today, crispy shredded beef in Peking sauce. Let's show you how to do it, come on. So we got our beef guys, look, and you can see which way the grain's running, it's all running that way. So let's just cut that across there. What we want some strips. So we need to cut across the grain. So we want some decent strips in our shredded beef. So we got some decent strips going on there, look. So do that with this other piece of meat and then we'll marinate it. And let's turn it round, I'm right-handed. So that's our beef strips. Beef strips in a bowl. Okay, this is a straightforward marinade. And what we're going to do, we're going to go in with about a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, about a teaspoon of soy sauce, about half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Now you've got to be careful with sesame oil because sesame oil is too overpowering. And about half a teaspoon of baking soda. Get that in there. A couple of tablespoons of water. Oh, maybe it's a bit too much there. Well, a shake of white pepper. So what we need to do is just give that a quick mix in there to start off with. And then we want to go in with it about 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Give that a mix in. Cut up all that meat. That's it guys, we want to put that to one side for about 20 minutes and then we'll add some egg. Right, our veggies are very simple for this. They need to be sliced into slices which match our shredded meat. It's as simple as that really. You don't want squares and shredded meat. The meat is cut lengthways, we cut the veggies lengthways, so let's do it. So our onions then. Nice and steady slices. So that's our lovely sliced onions. So all we need to do is put our onions in a tub. Right, we need to do the same with the green peppers. Okay, green pepper, take that off there. We don't want all that pith and bits in there, look. We just want the flesh. So take that out of there. And I got this other bit here, look. Same again guys, we actually want strips. So strip the green pepper. So that's our green pepper sliced. All we need to do now is chuck that in a bowl. So get that in there. We want some garlic, a little bit of a mashing on the garlic, and we're going to run the knife over it. So nice and steady, just give that a little whiz over first. And then let's give it a bit of a chopping through. And then all we're going to do is put that in our tub. Job done. So that's some garlic, and then we want some red chili. Now this chili is not hot in any way. Now I'm not going to make this hot. You can chuck in any chili that you want, but this is for colour. You know, we want some of that colour in there. So we want some lovely thin pieces sliced across, and you can go as thin as you want, you know, up to you. That'll do. Fantastic. Put our chili in a tub, and that's it basically. That's our veggies: onions, peppers, garlic, and some red chili for colour. Okay guys, our beef, we're going to add just a little bit of beaten egg. Just I don't know, a couple of tablespoons of beaten egg. And all we're going to do is give that a mix in. Let it stand for 10 minutes, and then we're going to put this in flour and fry it. So that's our beef put to one side. Okay, what we need to do is take some self-raising flour, about 1.5 cups there I reckon, and we want some corn flour, about the same again. Now that is our batter mix right there. So all we need to do is give that a mixing in. Now I'm doing it in a tray to show you, which is absolutely bananas, because if you shove it all in a bag, give it a shake around, you've got it mixed up. So that is our flour mix, he says. And then what we need to do, we need to take our meat out of there. We don't want all that marinade. And then what we're going to do, guys, we're going to actually put this in the flour. And that's it. It's as easy as that. Get it in the flour, give it a good coating, shake it around, shake off the excess. Now, of course, you could go down the lines of actually seasoning the flour with chicken powder and all sorts of stuff. That's up to you guys. So there we are. That's our beef coated in our self-raising flour and corn flour. So let's get some oil on, get it up to temperature, and let's get this fried. So let's get our beef in our oil. In it goes. And let's give it a bit of a crisping up. Oh, dead easy this. Dead easy. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to cook this all the way through this time. Instead of taking it out, let it rest, put it back in, we're just going to cook it. And then we can get on and cook the dish. There you go. Just look at that beef. Let's take that beef out. Right, we're going to let that cool. And then we're going to put it back in. Okay guys, back in with our beef. And let's crisp it up. Just look at that. Now that's perfect. Flame off, guys. Get our beef out. Oh. Just look at that. That is what I call perfect crispy beef. So that's our shredded crispy beef, and let's put it out to rest. Oh, did you hear that? Listen to that. Right, here we go then. Flame on, not too high. In with a little bit of oil. In with some garlic. In with some onions. In with some green peppers. Quick stir. In with a splash of water. In with a ladle of our Peking sauce. Whiz that up in there. In with some red chilies for colour. In with our beef. Coat it up. That's it, guys. Serve up. Job done. There we are, guys. Crispy shredded beef Peking sauce. Oh. Just look at that. Oh man. Crunchy beef on the outside, but really soft on the inside. That is fabulous. Nice crunchy veg, guys. Oh man, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video. That is amazing.